As most of you know, we have harvested the apples for the season and we are enjoying making tons of apple recipes to preserve them. So today I'm going to show you how to make this simple, delicious apple crisp. It's in my newest cookbook, Plantifully Simple, on page 242 if you're following along. You can get this on Amazon for $10 off right now or anywhere books are sold. So first I'm going to dice an apple. I love Honey Crisp because I love the tart apple cider flavor it gives. Then I'm going to add a chopped date, a little squeeze of lemon, some vanilla extract, a little maple syrup to sweeten it up, and then some apple pie spice. Then I'm going to give that a mix. And then I'm just going to make the topping, which is super simple. It's just some rolled oats, a little maple syrup, vanilla extract, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. I'm going to get that put all over the apple mixture. And then I'm just going to put this into the oven for about 20 minutes or until the top is nice and golden brown and crispy, just like this. And that's it, guys. It is so good. You can have this for breakfast or a nice, delicious light dessert. I'm going to add a little scoop of plant-based vanilla ice cream because I am feeling extra today. And yeah, this is so delicious. My family really enjoys this. It's a nice, wholesome dessert and a great way to use the season's apples.